Hello, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn about Joomla administrator section, admin panel, and here is our installed quick start package in which you can see different modules with some classified ads here, and this is the demo content which already have added by this template. So now we will move to our Joomla admin panel. Here is our main administrator section of our Joomla website, and we have to understand first that how Joomla works. So first of all, in the front end, if you see, you can see the different menus and the sections here. For example, this slider and find your car section, popular, random, latest, etc. And after that you can see the popular categories. So these all things are called modules in Joomla, and these modules, we can modify these modules by going here in extensions and then modules. Okay, so these small sections are called modules, and we can modify these modules from modules menu. Okay, after this, the main functionality of this website is, for example, these classifieds. So you can understand that these classified is a totally different software which is added into Joomla. Okay, so for this type of softwares, we say these softwares as components in Joomla. So if you go to component section, we are using DJ classifieds component for these classified sections. Okay, we can create our own components, but in this case we are using DJ classifieds component for this video. Okay, so here we will find all the sections inside this component, and we can modify and add other classifiers and other sections inside this component. Okay, so after this, these two things, components and modules, are very important. And after that, if you will see, these are the functionalities inside this Joomla. For example, login or search, if you will see, or if you will see the cache, if we apply cache of our Joomla. So after this, the most one of the main thing is the article section. For example, if you go to for example, privacy policy, you can see some article here, and this is the sample article, and this article is coming from content and then article section. Okay, and then after writing article here, it is displayed in menus. Okay, so here you can see there are in Joomla we have some menus like elements, main menu, pages, top bar, blog, etc. So it's divided into different menus, and you can see in bottom bar we have these menus: getting started and company, etc. Okay, so after this we will see these all things, these copyright and these things are all modules. Okay, so now what we will do, we will start modifying our website, and from classified section, because we have the main section, classified section, so we will start by modifying these classified section, and we don't need car only for this classified side, and we have different categories. So for that, we will go to components, DJ classifieds, and then we will find a lot of categories here in categories section, and you can see already categories are added here, and we have to change these categories. So I'm going to, we can delete these categories, but I'll just create a new category. I will show you how to add new categories, and then we will also just save this icon image here for our reference, and we can open this image into our Photoshop. This is for size purpose, and then we can go to Google So you want services icon, so I will add type services png icon, and here we will find the portable icon for our services. Okay, so we will choose some icon from Google, and I think this icon is fine. Yeah, this is fine. So you can see this is the icon, default icon size. We will see the image size 37 into 23. We will create a new icon, and I will make size of 45 into 45. And now I will just drag this icon. After saving, I will drag this icon into Photoshop. Here. Okay, so our services icon is ready. I'll just save this icon as on desktop, just saving this as png services icon full state gs, and now this icon is saved. Okay, after this I also need a real estate png icon. I will add two, and other icons I will add offline, and after adding the icons I will come back with new video. So yeah, I think this is fine. A lot of good icons are here, so we can choose. Yeah, this one is fine, I think, but this is jpg image, it's not png. This is also jpg, this is png without background. Now we can place here, delete service icon, just save the file as png, and we will call it real estate icon guru state. Okay, now we will add a category. Services, and we will make it free, and the main category is also a main category. We will publish this category, allow adding address to this category, auto publish. Other things will be same, we can't modify them. Custom fields we don't need, access restrictions we don't need, publishing, meta title, meta keywords, meta description we can add for this category. Icon, we'll add the icon here. I'm not adding the these things, publishing, meta title, keywords, and this will be the part in our SEO section. So now we will save and close, and our category is added. New, one more category we will add, real estate. Our property, you can say free, images, choose file, and real estate. Save and close. So now we have added two categories, and if we see front end, then we may find our new categories here, and you can see real estate and services, and the icons are not visible here. So because these were 37 into 27, so width and height is limited in CSS, we can modify that. Okay, so first of all we will go to control panel, and let's see that if we have option here to modify the main icon or not. So we'll go to settings, we'll go to images, and let's see the image. If we have yeah, this is the category image width and a height. Okay, so we will make it 45 into 45. Other things are fine. So we have successfully modified the icons for our category. After some time it will be visible, I think. Sometime it takes time to be for visibility, okay, due to cache issues. So now let's move to other things. In settings, first of all we will make some common settings for our classifieds. So here we will add the durations: 90 days for expiring, auto publish as, access level registered, guest can edit no, advert preview yes, advert limits we can add no limit, use promotions yes, we will apply promotions. Promotion move to top price. I think promotions we can neglect. All words in orders, type of searching phrases, that's fine. Show archived, yeah, this is fine. Allow users to archive ads, users can delete archive ads. Action on ad delete, allow users to block adverts, no, cache in categories, etc. After that, auctions, we can just off these auctions and bids, etc. And there is buy now button, we can just types, we should have types. And after that, this is unnecessary because we already hide the top thing. Default price unit dollar is fine. And after that, price format, leave it. Notifications and settings, so administrator will be notified, that's fine. New ad notification, no need for this. Notification email address, we can add info@gurustate.com, and a new add email to user, yeah, this is fine. We will send ad email to user. Okay, so after that, Google Maps API server, here is some API key added already, so that's fine. Places hints in address, we can change this key. If it's not working, we will change it. Default country for places API, so here we will add default country. And allow to provide coordinates, yes, enter values, or select on map, yes, select on map. Okay, that's fine. Default address for coordinates, and we can add Islamabad, Pakistan. Show coordinates, that's fine. Show map, map type road map, that's fine. Custom map styles we don't need. Paying for characters in description, characters payments, so no, we can't, we don't add the payments for character limits. Okay, so that's fine. We have added some basic settings in global settings parameters. Now we will save, and then we will go to view. In view section, there will be a theme. That theme is fine. After that, there are some settings, table type, and we can modify these settings as per our demand, but that default settings are fine with us. So now in views, I think everything is fine. Yeah, everything is fine. And after that, we will go to images. In images section, we will add a blank image path here. So adverse images path is fine, profile is fine, and these are fine. Okay, blank image, default image from category, blank image is source, so we will add one image for blank image. Okay, what is blank image? In front end you can see these blank images here, so this is the default image. We will change this image with our own image, so I'm going to no image, and that's fine. I think just save this, go to Photoshop, save this logo, place this logo on the image. Okay, one more thing, in Photoshop, if this is the index, that will be a problem. We will select all, edit, copy, file, new, and then we can't access that from front end. And cPanel component section is not accessible by this folder. And here we will add no image, guru state.jpg. okay, so here is our image. After that we will add a watermark image. So for watermark image, where is watermark image path? Yeah, so where is watermark image path? We will just place, yes, here, place upload png file with watermark image to main Joomla images folder with name djcf watermark. Okay, so we will just drag our logo in Photoshop and save it as png, and we have to name this as what this name we need. Okay, so that's it, it's already png. Save. Great. Now after this we will again go to cPanel, file manager, and then components, in public HTML components, and then com dj classifieds, and then assets, images, assets, and then images. So here we have to place our new image. So here you can see no image big, no image old, etc. So we'll upload our image here. That's great. And in the main images folder of our website, we need to upload our watermark. Already exist, so we will just rename the old file or delete the file, so we can rename it upload, and sorry, this one. Yeah, now it's done. We can check our site now, and we will recheck the site in new browser so that we can see the changes. Control-Shift-N for new browser, incognito mode, and in this browser change is not updated yet, so after some time we will see the changes here, okay, on these images also. So